welcome to another vlog dito sa Australia, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. So in today's video guys, pupunta kami sa Ripley's, believe it or not. It's gonna be fun guys. So samahan nyo ako guys, punta tayo doon and let's have fun. Keep on watching. So that one, Ripley's, believe it or not. Nandito na kami sa town. And we will go there. Ayan, Ripley's, believe it or not. Ayan, believe it or not. So this is the ticket. Ah! Pinto! Look at that! Wow! Nice!
A bit lower, yep, perfect.
Wow! Wow! When we're stepping down, there's music. That's nice, Ron. Wow.
Yes, ma'am. I've never seen a neck on a lady like you. Not in the sideshow business for almost 40 years.
Wow.
What's his name?
With him?
No, then we talk.
So, tallest man in the world. He's the tallest man in the world. This is fun. Wow. What is this Coca-Cola?
Hot stones and sand. If it is shrunken head is placed near fire to harden. The shrinking of heads was a humiliating thing to do to an enemy, and robbed them of the normal rebirth into the next life. Each shrunken head was a source of pride to the enemy.
Whoa.
For hundreds of years, the Shua have lived deep in the Amazon jungle. When they were discovered, they were wearing what appears to be miniature heads. They called them tonsils. The rest of the world called them.
What's this? Ordinary life-size model. You're launching?
Ship like no other, its place in history secure. The space shuttle's open to port for the last time. This voyage at an end.
Do you have what it takes to be an astronaut? What's this? Wow. This is pretty cool. This is so cool. Oh, this is Last Supper. This is Last Supper. Oh, this is nice. Made of, look, buttons, shells, buttons. Nice. Very nice. This one also, look. Made of buttons. It's Harry Potter. Candy art. Oh, this is amazing, Ron. Colored pencil lion. Ah, pencil. It's pencil. It's pencil. Look, made of pencil. Made of pencil. Nice. What's that? What are you doing? What is that, Ron? You're having fun there. The human. Muhammad Ali, your favorite, Ron? Your favorite Muhammad Ali. Look, Ron, I've seen this on on YouTube or TV. Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah. Elvis the pelvis. So what's in here?
Ultimate challenge. Did you deliver? Okay, not bad at all. What's madness?
Try this one at home. Good job. How will you fit in the contortion box?
This is, remember this one?
Let's try a harder bit. Whoa! How will you fit in the contortion box?
Here, the box. You can try.
Are you flexible? Not just touch your toes flexible, but flexible enough to fit in these contortion boxes.
This one. I've seen this somewhere.
Are you flexible? Not just touch
Nice. Your hand. You will make a design here. You will create a design. Oh, you will remove this. Oh, okay. So I will make. So I made this. I made this. Lit na pa ako. Take ko. Magic ball. Oh, that's nice. Oh, 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 oh. Wait on footprints to play.
Good luck. I'll see you on the other side.
What's that?
You step to the right on the footbridge. You there. You see this? It's extremely valuable, and it's all mine.
If you're about to play the laser race, if you wish to skip the laser race, follow the arrows to the left and around the corner.
You there. You see this?
What's in here?
Extremely valuable.
The scary rod.
It's all mine.
What's in there?
Guys, I've just had confirmation that Dr. Reed has one of that sacred and irreplaceable shrunken heads.
What's that? You cannot go inside.
This is what I need you to do. See that maze over there? First,
You cannot go inside.
choose your difficulty and proceed past it. And I'm talking way past the doors. This will activate the lasers. Remember, be as quick as you can, otherwise you will be lost forever. There are yellow markers inside the maze, and you need to hold your hand over the yellow markers. And this will save you time.
How do we get out?
This way.
Must go 88 feet long. Okay. So I press $2.
That's me. Look, Ronnie. Ronnie, look. Look here. So I saw Johnny Depp again. What's this? Jojo. Ah, Jojo. The dog face man. And who's this? Shooting gallery. Zoltar. We can dance here, Ron. So, this is the exit. This is the end. We had fun, guys. Hope you had fun too. So, thank you for watching, guys. Keep safe, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next vlog.